Welcome if you are new, and if you're not, welcome back.
Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who.
And I am a licensed esthetician, lash technician, and soon to be PMU artist, as I am training to become a PMU artist and get my licensing as a tattoo technician, as Connecticut, my state requires that. But anyway, so today is Monday, February 26th. Mondays are my day off at work. However, I do try to come in and just do more of like the back end stuff because during the week it could be a little hard for me to do so. It is about 11:30 right now, so close to lunchtime, but I just came back from a breakfast with a friend. But now I'm back at work and I'm just gonna go through like my planner and stuff, and there's a couple things I need to do. So as you guys know, I have I self-published 2 planners that are currently sold on Amazon. I just revamped both of those because I wanted to have a paperback and a hardcover option. I also wanted to revamp the interior of my planners just to make it more, I don't know, to have more space to really plan out for your business. And I really like how they turned out. However, the first version, which is this one, my author's copy, so that's why it says not for resale up here. This version is not what I thought it was going to look like, so I completely changed it around. I don't want this to be like this tan color. I also want the cover to stretch all around, so this white needs to go away. It's going to be like a grayish color, kind of like this gray right here. I also changed the font up. These are no longer here. The whole back though is going to be just lashes, which I thought was really cute. And then the front just says Lash Tech or Lash Artist Planner. So the inside I'm going to keep probably as is for now. Now there's going to be a monthly calendar option, as well as a space for like any phone calls or like a to-do list and things like that. I also have an area where you can jot down any projects that you're working on currently, and an inventory list. If you're like me, you need that. I also have an area where you can do lash mapping. So this part is like one of my favorite parts. So the idea is that at the top you draw out your design or your lash map, and then you can write your specifics underneath. So I think this is really important to have, especially when you're playing around with different styles and different looks and you want to test them out. You can at least have almost like your blueprint here and test them out on your dummy or on your model or your client, whatever you want to do. So there's a couple corrections I need to make on the hardcover. I'm having issues because when you pop in your template, it has to fit. This is a 6x9, I believe, and for whatever reason my cover is like, or the words on the front is stretching outside of it, so I need to make it a little bit smaller so that it fits. And then other than that, what else do I want to do? I want to look at my calendar. I want to budget. I try to do my budget every month. So I want to get to doing it at the end of each month so that it's ready for the following month. So the first I can like start fresh and budget myself for that month. So today I'm going to work on March's budget. Yeah, so I'm just going to sit at my desk, work on some stuff. Oh, and I'm also planning for an event called LashCon. I want to do like, basically it's going to be a convention for lash artists and other beauty professionals in Connecticut, which is why I called it LashCon, CONN, to represent my state. And so I need to start planning for that. It's not going to be until October, but I want to plan ahead. I need to secure like different vendors. I need to secure a finished, but I was able to get a few things accomplished. So one of my goals for this year, and also one of the things that just drives me nuts just thinking about it, or makes me anxious, is filling out grants. If you never filled out a grant, well, let me backtrack. If you filled out a grant, then you know how sometimes, the process can be very tedious, time consuming. Even just searching for grants that you're applicable for can be very overwhelming and discouraging, and just all of the above. But I am learning to take off small bites with the things that I want to get done, just in general. And so what I told myself is I'm going to dedicate a few hours each week to searching and applying for a grant. So I just filled out a grant. There is a site called Invit. What is it called? It is called, hold on. Okay, so there's two sites that I found. One is called the Idea Cafe. Now, I don't think, this is not specific to like a certain state or anything like that. So I signed up for that. I also signed up for the, I'm trying to find it, Innovate Her events and happenings, because another thing I want to do this year is just get out to more either just Zooms or just events with other like professionals and small business owners, and make connections, and just, I really want to grow my business. I see it far beyond just me physically lashing and waxing and doing facials. I love that part of my job. Those are some of my favorite things that I do here. My interactions with my clients is something that I really enjoy, but I also enjoy doing like the back end stuff. And eventually I know that my goal is going to be less hands-on and more back end, and having employees that provide the same level of care that I feel like I have provided thus far and continue to provide for my clients. There's a lot of things on the list that I am working on, and it's a little overwhelming because I'm doing it all by myself, but that's why I want to get out to more of these entrepreneurship type of events and mixers and things like that, so that we can bounce ideas off of each other, or we can make connections, and go from there. So tomorrow I am actually going to be doing a manicure for a friend. You guys know I don't do nails anymore, but I am going to be doing a manicure. It's going to be super quick, so that's going to be done for a friend. In the morning I have actually somebody reached out to me. She's in town and wants to get a lash fill done and a facial, so I'm going to set up for that. And I just need to wipe down some surfaces, really just dust, because it's a little dusty in here. I get a lot of light from these windows, which is nice, but it creates a lot of dust. So I'm going to dust off some stuff. I'm going to sweep up, and like I said, set up for tomorrow. So I guess you guys can watch me clean up.
And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on going back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on going back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, no one above me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. Without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. Bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on going back to you. See, my days are cold without you. said what love will make you do. All the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get straight to leave, you always tell me that you need me, and I'm weak 'cause I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you could learn to appreciate me, then it all remains the same. That you ain't never gonna change, never gonna change, never gonna change. My days are cold, baby, and though my heart can't take no more, no more, no more. See, my days are cold without you. I'm hurting lonely, and though my heart can't take no more, no more.
My mind didn't change and I still feel the same. What's a life with no fun? Please don't be so ashamed. I've had mine, you've had yours, we both know. We know they won't get you like I will. My only wish is I die real, 'cause that truth hurts and those lies heal. And you can't sleep thinking that he lies still, so you cry still. Tears all in a pillowcase. Big girls all get a little taste out, pushing me away so I give her space out. Dealing with a heart that I didn't break. I'll be there for you, I will care for you. I keep thinking you just don't know. Trying to run from that, say you're done with that. On your face, girl, it just don't show. When you're ready, just say you're ready. When all the baggage just ain't as heavy and the party's over, just don't forget me. We'll change the pace and we'll just go slow. You won't ever have to worry. You won't ever have to hide. And you've seen all my mistakes, so look me in my eyes.
'Cause if you let me, here's what I'll do. I'll take care of you. I've loved and I've lost.
Yeah. It's my birthday, I get if I want to. Can't deny that I want you, but I lie if I have to. 'Cause you don't say you love me to your friends when they ask you, even though we both know that you do. You do. One time been in love, one time you and all your girls in the club, one time. Also convinced that you're following your heart, 'cause your mind don't control what it does sometimes. We all have our needs though, don't be so ashamed. I've had mine, you've had yours, we both know. We know.
Over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. Deep, 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 I wanna believe. Deep, 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 and rock right up to the side of my mountain, until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak, and reach right into the bottom of my mountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, deep. Then dip me underway. You can feel my voice flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream forever, breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. Then rock right up to the side of my mountain, until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak, and reach right into the bottom of my mountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, deep.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, and then every day. All I wanna hear is thinking need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away from cheap beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is the visions that we play. Sit right next to you, I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish away. We don't want you more. I just wanna get away.
All right, so I'm done cleaning and I set up pretty much for the most part. We're about to get out of here and run to Marshall's because I just realized I need candles. I always need candles. So we're gonna run to Marshall's, get some smell goods, and then that's gonna be it for today. All right, so I got the goods from Marshall's. I bought 5 candles, or 6. And then I bought a charger for work because my charger has given up on me. So yeah, I'm done at Marshall's. I almost bought a new rug and a throw pillow and blanket and things like that. But again, one thing I didn't get the chance to get to yet is my budget. So I'm gonna do that first. And that wasn't necessary, so I left it there. My candles are necessary though, because you know we gotta create a vibe. So got that and got my water because I do feel like I'm coming down with a little something. That is it for today's vlog. That is it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for the next one. Bye.